hanging out off hours in the live stream lounge. That can only mean one thing. It is time for an unboxing. And this here, oh my gosh, it is 2.5 weeks away from the release of Aladdin 3477. These guys are super excited. And what this is flyers. So the reason I got these made is because I've got posters like this here. Hopefully I can get an angle here where there aren't glares. I think I'm kind of stuck. These half posters are cool, but these aren't, these are, they're not super pricey, but you can't just pass these out to people on the street. It's nice because it's got the date. It's got 3 of the top places you can see it on January 3rd in 66 different countries. And very excited about this. But what about stuff that people can just take with them? Or maybe there are places you can leave flyers. Well, I've got some here. Let's take a look. Little slice there. Little slice here. I figured a good size. I didn't want to make them too big. I didn't want to make them magazine size because then everyone's just folding them up anyway. These are 8.5, or no, yeah, they're 8.5 by 5.5. So kind of like if you took an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and folded it in half. I'm going to put away this sharp object here while I tear this box open. See what we got. So half the size of a sheet of paper, I figured was a pretty standard size. And ooh, look at that. So this looks nice. Sometimes just seeing things in different sizes is neato torpedo. So what I decided here, I thought it would be cool if one side is just the poster. That looks nice. Just the poster as is. And at the top, it doesn't have the streaming services. It just has what the poster would normally have, which is the legend of the past is the adventure of the future. And then on the other side, this is the same art as what is on the official collector's edition. Because it's a longer poster, you actually see a little bit more of what was on the bottom. But then this side has a little bit more of the official information. So at the top, of course, you've got the 3 top streaming services. I think there's 16 different ways you can see the film, and there'll be more. This is just the TVOD phase. At first, you've got the date, you've got the art, you've got the title. And then here's some information because I knew most of these would probably be local here in Michigan. I might be sending some of these out, perhaps even to some of you watching this. If you guys have ideas, let me know. But because of that, because I knew a lot of these would be local, it's actually information that's a little bit more related to Michigan since we filmed most of the film here, pretty much all of it. There's background plates I got around the world, but if it's anything with actors, it was filmed in the Great Lakes state. One more thing that's cool is as I hold this closer here, right now I have the QR code that is lighting up. So the great thing about this is this goes to my link tree where you can watch the movie trailer. It's got links to all my socials, all the Aladdin 3477 socials. And once this gets released and once the pre-sale opens up, which by the way, this Friday on all Apple products, that's Apple TV Plus, that's Apple TV, and that's iTunes, you can do the pre-sale. By the way, that really helps us if you are planning on watching this on an Apple device, or if you have the opportunity to, that really helps us. It's not that we make more money that way, and they're all released at the same time on all of the services anyway, but if you do Apple TV, if we can get 500 or more people to do the pre-sale, once the movie's out, then the movie's out. But beforehand, if we can get 500 people doing the pre-sale for Apple TV or any of the other Apple platforms, we will get in their new and noteworthy section. So everyone sees that. So definitely, the pre-sale is launching on Friday. Okay, so anyway, I'll have a link to that also with this handy dandy QR code. So that's nice. So I'm going to be trying to get these all over town. If you live local, and especially if you live local and you know places where you can get these with permission, I don't know, if you work at, I don't know, I was going to say a record store. Maybe if you work at like a record store or somewhere cool that, I don't know, like a game shop or something like that, then let me know if you getting a little stack of these would be helpful. That'd be great. If you don't live local, let me know anyway. Send me a message. You can get my email through my website, mattbusch.com. Send me a message, and if you have ideas, I can send you a stack. But it can't just, like, if you just want one of these, I have plenty, so these are just going to go in any order. If you're ordering anything from the pre-sale store, which I'll leave a link down below, you'll get one of these for free anyway if you just want one. I have plenty, or if you're going to see me at a future event, you'll be able to get one there. But if you actually want to pass these out and you know people or you know places where there will be lots of people that would be interested in seeing this, let me know and I can get you what you need. But let me know if it's worth it to put them in a giant envelope and send you a stack. Okay, that's what's going on. That is the unboxing for today. Lots on the horizon coming up soon. Can't wait for this movie to be released. Thank you, guys.